Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very careful here. This is Bangalore Sahodaya School's complex pre-board examination paper. Now, as we already know the instructions, total time is 90 minutes and 20 minutes extra is for reading. So we used to get that reading time 20 minutes. So now, first section alone we'll discuss today. Section A consists of 24 questions. Attempt any 20 questions for this section. So how carefully you will attempt, how effectively you will make it is only matters. What kind of questions you will choose out of 24? We want only 20. That's all. So now, as I said already, the secret of competency-based questions, nothing will be there. What do you mean by competency-based questions, Nitinath? Just they will add a student name and as well as a lab. That's all. Do you understand that? Yes or no? Please respond. So now,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
let us see. The best example is the first question only. So during experiment, all of you think carefully and write the equation. During an experiment, student of grade 10th observed the change of iron sulfate color due to the action of heat. Is it a question, Ra? Everybody read. So what they're saying, one by one you can read. The first question, let us, Tarani will read. Tarani, can you read the first question? During an experiment, yeah.
During an experiment, students of class grade 10th observed the change of iron sulfate color due to the action of heat. What kind of chemical
reaction was observed by them? Yes, Ra? So now, anybody can answer. Within seconds, you can answer this one. Action of
Thermal decomposition.
Thermal decomposition.
Thermal decomposition.
Even 90% of you people can able to write that equation also. Iron sulfate decomposition. What is the reaction will come? FeSO4. Yes or no? Yes. FeSO4 will give you Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. Is it yes or no, Ra? Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is. So even colors also we know that. What is the color of this Fe2O3? Arvind, open your textbooks. I think it is first chapter, it is equation. Yes or no, Ra? So that's all. What is the correct answer? You don't know this question?
Thermal decomposition.
Yeah, thermal decomposition. Why? Because by action of heat, they are saying. Action of heat, we can say what? Thermal decomposition.
Thermal decomposition.
So this is called as competency based question. Is it a difficult question, Nitinath?
No, sir.
What they have done? They have been added a lab and a 10th student. That's all. Correct or not? Please respond.
Sir.
No, if you are, see, Dileepan, you have done really very badly the exam. But still, if you are not opening your mouth, simply you are sitting, I will come and I will attend and I will go means I am not happy. I will definitely will inform your parents and you can leave from the meeting also, no problem. Those who are silent, I don't want to speak. I am saying you already. You involve, it is the end of the exams. It is coming soon, we are going to end the exams. Still, if people are maintaining the silence means then what is the use of me? I am working this much hard. Right, next question read. Everyone, next one read. Ashika, read the next question.
Identify the property of an acid verified in the following experiment.
Yes. What is that?
Conductivity.
Huh?
Conductivity.
Conductivity. That's all. It is connecting what? It is connecting what? Electricity. Correct or not? It is connecting electricity and it is forming what? Ions. Yes or no? Please respond. Yes, ions it will form. So that's all. It is acid. What is the use of acid here? Acids are good conductors of electricity. Yes or no? That's all. In that too what? Aqueous state. Which state? Aqueous state. That is how to remember. Varshini, don't be silent. You have to be answered. That's all. Is it a difficult question? Ashika? But still we people will do the mistake. Because we won't read. If Reddy sir is reading, we people will know the answer. But when you are reading, what is happening, I don't know. Now let me see. This question, Dileepan will read. Dileepan read the answer. I read the question. If I'll say, you have to read. Others, please call them and tell them to join fastly. Read fastly this question.
Which among the following is the correct order of reactivity series in the increased order?
Read louder.
Which among
Increasing
the
order.
following is correct?
Which among the following is the correct order of reactivity series in their increasing order? Increasing order, you have to check it. So mercury, lead and iron. Please say the metal activity series fastly. Karthikeyan, can you say the metal activity series?
Sir,
Yeah. Please.
Option B.
Option B. Please never call me a zebra. I like hydrogen.
Option
Call me a
B.
pretty girl. Yes or no? So please
Yes, sir.
never call me a zebra. I like hydrogen. So iron first will come. I like L means lead will come. I like hydrogen. Call me
call
a
me a
pretty
zebra.
girl. Call me a pretty girl. So mercury will come where? Last. Yes or no?
Last.
HG.
B for mercury.
Yes. Call
sir.
me mercury will come. So they are asking increasing order. So increasing order means what will come? Iron will come first, last, lead will come middle, next mercury will come first. So X next less than, Y less than Z. So which option it is?
Option B. Sir.
Option
Option B. That's all. Are you understand? Clear
Yes, sir.
everybody? Sina?
Sir,
Varshini, analyzing skills. No, if you choose the question, remember Arvind, if you choose the question, 99% cases, it should not become wrong. Like that only how to answer. Okay, that is. Now, which of the following is an endothermic process?
Sublimation of dry ice.
This is the direct question which I have taught you. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So why? So endothermic process, dilution of sulfuric acid, it will release heat energy only. Condensation of water vapor, it is also same. Whatever the heat energy will be there, it will also, heat energy will release. Understand? So respiration in human beings, as we know, exothermic reaction. So only sublimation of dry ice. Why sublimation of dry ice? It is because
It is an
it is,
endothermic.
yeah,
observe.
Does not produce heat.
directly, yes or no, it will absorb heat energy because sublimation of dry ice. Dry ice means what? Solid carbon dioxide. Yes or no? Please respond. So it will be at minus 78 degrees Celsius. How much, Ra? Minus 78 degrees Celsius and 200 minus 200 atmospheres. 200 atmosphere. So if we'll start converting into gaseous state at room temperature, what is the room temperature, guys? What is the room temperature? Now 25 degrees, let me imagine. So that it is temperature absorbing or releasing. Nobody will answer.
Observing, sir.
Absorbing. That is why sublimation of dry ice. This is the direct question, correct, Varshini, which I have taught you. Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Everybody should remember. Arun Karthikeyan, you also don't be silent in meeting. I don't like and I don't want also. I'm saying. Next, Akil Arfan will read the next question. Akil Arfan. Akil. Akil.
The graph below.
Yeah. The graph given below. Read loudly and answer. Yeah.
So the graph below depict additional of different chemicals.
Read the question correctly. Additional or addition?
Addition, sir.
That is what? Concentrate on the question. Yes.
Addition of different chemicals to carry out
Neutralization reaction. Okay. Now, observe very carefully. They are saying neutralization reaction. Don't think about the graphs, everybody. So now, listen carefully and tell me. So now, what is neutralization reaction? Acid plus base will react and it will give you what, guys? Respect to salt plus
Water.
Yes or no? Please respond. Respect to salt plus water. Now, which letter denotes the increased concentration of H plus ions they are asking? Increased concentration of H plus ions they are asking. So now, observe graph carefully and you tell me. So now H plus ions means pH value is low or high. That is what I want.
Low.
Ah,
No, sir.
low. Now, where the pH value is showing decreasing, please observe which graph.
Sir, option D, sir.
Option D, pH value is decreasing. No kind of thinking skills, Karthikeyan, you.
Sir, C.
Option D is increasing graph. Then how you people will say? Arun Karthikeyan, your answer, please. Akil
Sir,
Arfan.
C.
Option C. Option C. Have you noticed it, Arvind? Can you able to answer? So elimination. If you don't know, let us see. Elimination method. So second one is already neutralization reaction. Means both concentration is equal. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, first one also you can take. First one, it is increasing. Increasing pH value. So increasing pH value above 7. Above 7 means what ions it is? OH minus ions. Yes or no? Yes. Now here also it is increasing, crossing 7 and later it is going down. Here also what is happening? It is increasing OH minus ions, increasing graph only. Now in only the graph which is decreasing in the sense of, see, pH value is moving towards to the less. So means in the sense of what is happening? Increasing what? H plus ions. Yes or no? So H plus ions means which graph is correct? Nitinath, what is happening? What are you doing? Yeah, which letter denotes the increasing concentration? Option C. Understand? Is it a
Option C.
difficult question? See, it is not a difficult question. Asika, Tarne, everybody. It is not a difficult question, but the thing is how we are reading the question is only matters. Do you understand what I'm saying? Everybody? So analyzing skills. So here, question is not a difficulty, but what is the concept which you have to remember here? Varshini, can you able to answer? Which concept should we know here? Nitinath? Arvind?
pH levels.
pH value. So pH value is decreases for what purpose? When the H plus ions will increases. This is the only concept which you have to remember. Is it any other new thing is here? Nothing. Yes or no?
No,
That's
sir.
all. So decreasing graph. Blindly you can choose this answer. Nothing will happen. That is the correct answer. Now next question. Bhumika joined. Bhumika will answer. Bhumika, please. Bhumika, next question read. Hey, others call everybody one new fellow who is not joined. Let them join within 5 minutes, everybody. This much careless fellows, everybody. Bhumika, read the next question. Arvind, can you read the next question, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, loudly.
In the reaction of copper with oxygen, zinc
Yeah.
oxide plus copper gives zinc plus carbon monoxide.
Zinc
Which
plus carbon monoxide. Now, ZnO plus C will gives you what? Zn plus CO. So as I have already taught you, zinc oxide turning into Zn. So it is reduced or oxidized. Oxygen is removed. It is what?
Reduced.
Reduced. So who is reduced here? Zinc is reduced or ZnO is reduced? Who is reduced? Zinc or ZnO? I want. Who is reduced? Zinc or zinc oxide? Zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Next. CO is gaining oxygen. This is called as oxidation. So here, who is oxidizing? Oxidizing who? Carbon is oxidizing, not carbon monoxide. Do you understand, guys? What I am speaking? Now, here, this is the oxidizing agent, carbon is the reducing agent. Now, what they are asking, listen carefully. Which option in the given table correctly represents the substance reduced and the reducing agent? So, which one? Zinc oxide and carbon. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which option is correct?
Option C.
Option C. Be very careful. So reducing agent they are asking. Reducing agent means what? Which is helping to either need to supply hydrogen or need to help in removing oxygen. Yes or no, Akil Arfan? Arvind, Arun Karthikeyan. That's all. So ZnO is substance which is reduced, not zinc. Be very careful. ZnO. Why ZnO? Zinc oxide is reduced, not zinc is reduced. Understand, Arvind? Nitinath? Be careful.
Yes,
because most of them, they will choose the option A. Because zinc plus carbon is there. That is why we want which is reduced means Reduced means zinc oxide. Why? Zinc oxide is going to turn into zinc, not zinc is going to turn into zinc oxide. Do you understand, Nitinath, what is the difference between them?
Sir.
Yes. Next question, see. Such a silly question. Bhumika, can you read? Varshini Bensi, anybody can read. Oxidation is a process which
Oxidation is a
involves.
process.
Oxidation is
Addition
a
of
process which involves
Addition of oxygen.
addition of oxygen. We have 4 definitions. It is actually it is the first definition. Yes or no? Yes. I have taught you how many definitions, guys? I have taught you 4 definitions. Yes or no? It is one of the definition. It is the first definition itself. Yes or no, Akhil Arfan?
Sir, removal of hydrogen also can come now.
Yes, but oxidation is a process which involves, if addition of oxygen is there, you have to write addition of hydrogen. Okay? Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
that is. If that option is not there, then you can write removal of hydrogen. Is it okay, ma? That is. Next, let us go with this. Which of the given options correctly represents the parent acid? This is the most important. Varshini, Nitina, anybody can see. While I'm teaching, I have taught you.
Option is
Yeah, actually, these you people will never study it in the school classes. Is it yes or no, Ashika? Which is parent acid,
Yes,
which
sir.
is parent base? I know
Yes,
that.
sir.
Nobody teach that. I know that because textbook it is not at all given. Very rarely only people find it. But that is why I mentioned. I know that questions 90% having a chances to ask. That is why I said. So let me answer this question. Who will answer? Parent
Option A
acid and
is,
parent base we want.
option A.
So first,
H2SO4
let it be.
parent acid.
I don't want this question first. You first tell me. As we know, metal oxides are basic in nature. Yes or no? Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. That is
Acidic
what
in
we
nature.
want. Now, which of the given options correctly represents the parent acid and the base of magnesium sulfate? What is the magnesium sulfate formula? Please respond me. Magnesium sulfate, Mg.
MgSO4.
MgSO4. That's all. So magnesium sulfate. So magnesium should be there and sulfate is there. Sulfate means which acid? Which acid?
H2SO4. Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid. Everybody.
Option A.
Yeah. Sulfuric
Base is
acid.
MgOH
And
twice.
Mg is there. Magnesium
MgOH
oxide.
twice.
Actually it is called as competency based question. But is it a question? Difficult question, Bhumika? Arun Kartikeyan? Is it a difficult question? Only the thing which you need to know. What is that you need to know? The formula of magnesium sulfate. Yes or no? Varshini, Tarani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's all.
Sir.
So if you know that, that's all you know. What is the equation? Anybody can tell me? H2SO4 plus magnesium hydroxide. This is a known equation to you. You speak. What will come? Magnesium sulfate plus what? Acid plus water. Water will come. That's all. Correct or not? Balancing, you have to do it. Yes, guys?
Yes,
No.
sir.
That's all. Next. Nitric acid cannot be used to yield hydrogen gas from a metal base. Why? Please. This is also direct question.
Sir, it is a strong oxidizing.
Very good, very good, very good. This is the direct question which I have taught. Actually, we can use the nitric acid also in producing of hydrogen. For example, see, zinc plus H2SO4. What is the products we are getting, Nitinath? Nitinath become very silent. I don't know. So zinc sulfate plus
Zinc
hydrogen gas.
sulfate plus
Yes or no?
H2 gas.
So in this experiment, we will use zinc granules. Granules means zinc pieces. So either we can use H2SO4 or we can use HCl. We can use what? HCl. Do you understand, guys? Yes or no? So to produce hydrogen gas. So if you use HCl, what will come? Zinc ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas will come. So if you use nitric acid also, what is the formula of nitric acid? Anybody? Nitric acid HNO3. Understand? H3PO4 phosphoric acid. Please note it down. This is phosphoric acid. This is nitric acid. So if you use nitric acid, what will happen means at initial stage, it will form hydrogen gas. Understand, Varshini, Tarani, everybody? At initial stage, it will form hydrogen gas, but later what will happen means it will react with the zinc and it will form zinc oxide. Do you understand? Because of it is very strong oxidizing agent, so it will form zinc oxide, ZnO, so that later no further hydrogen gas will produce. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it will form like a corrosive, like a unreactive layer. Do you understand, Amma, what I'm speaking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is
Yes, sir.
this is also direct question. So nitric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent. That is the reason we people will never use. Understand, to in production of hydrogen. Understand, everybody? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question. Let me read. Somebody read fastly. Dileepan, Karthikeyan. Yeah, Anand Karthikeyan.
Reaction. Correct.
What?
Which of the following
Following
statements about
statement
Read. Which of the following statement about the given reactions are correct? What is the given reaction? Read carefully. Fe plus H2O.
displacement?
Yes, but actually H2O they have been shown here what? What is this? Gas. Gas means what? Steam. Yes or no? Please respond. Because as we know, iron will react with only hot, like a steam only. With the cold water and hot water, it won't react. Do you remember the tabular column which I have been sent you?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
H2O will give you, what will give you guys? Fe3O4 plus H2. Yes or no? Fe3O4 plus H2. So now let us see what is the listen carefully and tell me the statement. So now, which of the following statements about the given reactions are true? They are asked. So let me see who will say. Iron metal is getting oxidized, water is getting reduced, water is acting as reducing agent, water is acting as oxidizing agent.
B option, sir. B.
Huh?
B option.
B
First
option.
and fourth.
First
Sir,
and
option C. Sir, option C.
Sir, option C, sir.
option C. Very good. So now let us comes to here. So as we know, iron is getting oxygen. So iron is getting oxygen. So oxidized. Who is oxidized here? Iron is oxidized. Next, water is turning into hydrogen. Water is turning into hydrogen. So hydrogen means oxygen is removed. It is getting as reduced. Now, water is acting as a what, guys? Here, oxidizing agent. Yes or no? Oxidizing agent. That's all. So you can base it upon that. You can proceed. So check it. Iron metal is getting oxidized. True. Water is getting reduced. Yes. Water is acting as a reducing agent. No. Water is acting as a water oxidizing agent. That's all. So now 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Which option is correct? Dileepan, Bhumika. 1, 2, 4.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C.
Understand, Arvind? Option C is correct.
Yes,
That's
sir.
all. Are you understand, Arun Karthikeyan? Akhil Irfan? No response at all. They will never speak. Varshini? Tarani? Right. That's all. Next question, biology. Identify the type of nutrition exhibited by the given picture. Type of nutrition.
Saprotropic nutrition.
Saprotropic or saprophytic?
Saprophytic. Sir.
Is it a difficult question, Ra? I don't think so. It is a difficult question. Okay, let me see who will answer. Others, Bhumika. Identify the type of nutrition exhibited by the given picture. Bhumika. What is the Ra? Bread malt, Ra? Bread malt. Which one, Ra? Vidinath? Parasite. Parasite means which will live inside, not outside. Wrong. Bread malt. Check your classworks and tell me. Notebooks. Bread malt. Which one? Saprophytic nutrition. That is. Nitinath, basic thing you forgot. Now this question. Identify correctly the parts labeled QRS in the figure given below. QRS. Or yes, let me see who will answer. QRS. Q. What is that? QRS.
Trachea, sir.
Trachea.
Sir, option D, sir.
Option D.
D,
QRS.
sir. D.
Option
Option D, sir. D.
Option D. Understanding? Trachea, bronches, and alveoli. That's all. Okay. Next, which element is used as in a synthesis of proteins? Synthesis of proteins, Ra. Proteins. So proteins are what? It is the yes. This is the question came in your half PT exam. I think half yearly midterm exam also. Proteins means what? It is the amino acids. Amino acids, complex structures of amino acids. Yes or no? So amino acids contains what? I have taught you lot of times. What is that? Amino
Nitrogen.
acid. Nitrogen gas. Please remember that. So synthesis of proteins, which one we will use, Ra? Nitrogen gas.
Nitrogen.
But teaching also I have taught you. Proteins chemical formula. You can see it is containing nitrogen. Understand, Varshini? Akhil Arfan? Please respond. No, you people become silent. Okay. Next, identify the gas that evolved as a gas bubbles in the test tube. Please. Gas bubbles, Ra.
Hydrogen.
Day. Gas bubbles, pond water. Please, Ra. Such a easy question, Ra. Gas bubbles, Ra. Identify the gas that is evolved as a gas bubbles in the test tube. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or hydrogen. Arey, what is happening, Ra?
Sir. B, sir.
Huh? Nobody will answer. First thing, listen. Nitrogen will be not. Hydrogen also will be not. Now, if it is a dark light, then carbon dioxide will release. If it is under sunlight, then which one will release? Under sunlight, which one will release, Ra? Under sunlight, which gas will release? Under sunlight, which gas will release, Ra? Arey, this is the leaf, Ra. Leaf. Pond, understanding, pond weed, it is a leaf, Ra. It is a leaf in the sense of which one it will release? Oxygen, Ra. This
Oxygen.
photosynthesis reaction, correct, Ra? Listen, if here it is a dark light, then it is carbon dioxide. It is a bright sunlight. So that oxidation, this is photosynthesis reaction will take place. So which gas will release? Nobody will answer.
Oxygen, sir.
Oxygen. It is not a difficult question, yeah. Please read. Next. Which of the following labeled parts of a circulatory system has the highest concentration of oxygen? Let me see who will answer. Highest concentration of oxygen. Highest concentration. So, from where to where it will flow, you can understand. Which part of the body is having highest concentration? Highest concentration they are asking. So please read carefully and tell me. Highest concentration. Very good, Nitinath. Q and S. Why Q and S? Because from the lungs, the blood is becoming oxygenated. Yes or no? So oxygenated means oxygen is a rich blood, oxygen rich blood. Now that blood only will pump into down. From there, it has been supplied to the body and limbs. So that, yes. So here also oxygenated blood. So oxygenated blood. So which part is having more highest concentration of oxygen? Oxygen rich blood. Ashika? Oxygen rich blood. Karthikeyan? Varshini? No, you know, if you are silent, then what is the use, Dilipan? Why I said what I said, Ra? Huh? Oxygenated blood, highest concentration. Which one?
Oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood means, yeah. So from the lungs only it will come. Yes or no, Tarani?
Yes, sir.
From the lungs it will come, and as well as from that left atrium to it will go left ventricle down. So that is also oxygenated blood. So body and limbs it will be at is. So that what is that? Q and S. Yes or no? That's all. Next, identify PQR in the given figure. PQR now itself you can tell me. PQR. PQR. PQR.
P is mouth cavity.
Yeah, Q is what? Q is liver.
Sir,
R is
liver, sir.
large intestine.
large
Large
intestine.
intestine. And P is what? P is we can read here. So Q is
Salivary.
pancreas. Okay.
B is
So,
the option.
yeah. Large intestine. Small, large intestine. Yeah, pancreas. Q is stomach. And gastric
house-
glands.
Sir, B, sir.
Option B, Ra.
B.
Option B. So option B, salivary glands A, option Q, stomach, and option C, large
Large, sir.
intestine. Very good. So option here, salivary glands will be there, mouth. So that is why P is salivary glands. Q is, okay, this is the digestive system. Correct, I forgot. This is the stomach. Yes or no? That is digestive system. So next, this is large intestine.
Large
Yes or no? That's all. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Simple question. Arun Karthikeyan, yes or no? Yeah, that's all. Next question. Next question you go. In which of the following equipment a convex mirror is employed? Employed means used. Ra. Let me see who will answer.
Rear view mirror of a car.
Very good, Bhumika. Is it will take Bhumika more than 10 seconds? I don't think so, more than 2 seconds, because all the applications I have given you. Do you remember? Each and every application I have taught you. If you remember, you can understand. So convex mirror means what? We can use in a wider range. Understand, Ra? View range will
Sir,
increase.
solar cooker means what, sir?
A solar cooker means cooking rice, Ra, so that sunlight will be focused. Sunlight will be focused on certain point. So if you want to focus the sunlight, which one will you use? Converging or diverging?
Converging, sir.
That's all. So that it is concave mirror. So periscope also concave mirror. That plane mirrors. Periscope we can use plane mirrors. Headlights of a car we can use concave mirror only, because that light should become parallel. So rear view of the mirror only the correct answer. Understand, everybody? Because
Yes, sir.
large view you have to see. That's all. Next, 18th question. Let me see who will answer. This is direct question. A beam of light incident through the holes on inside a emerges out of a hole on the other face of the box as shown in the figure. Which of the following could be inside the box? Anybody?